Dive deeper into your favorite fandom and unlock a world of content with the Weverse web version on your laptop. First things first, open your preferred web browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and navigate to the official Weverse website. You'll likely see the familiar Weverse logo and a clean homepage ready for you to explore. Simply type Weverse into the address bar and hit enter. This leads you directly to the desktop version of Weverse, designed for a seamless experience on your computer. Now, log in. If you already have a Weverse account, click on the login button, usually found in the top right corner. You can sign in using your existing credentials, whether it's email, social media accounts like Google or Apple, or even your fan club login if you're a member of a specific artist's community. Enter your username and password, or select your preferred login method, then click the login button. If you're new to Weverse, you'll find a sign up or create account option nearby. Follow the prompts to set up your new profile, which is usually a straightforward process with your email and a chosen password. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the Weverse homepage. Notice the larger screen real estate. This allows you to see more content at a glance, from the latest posts in your favorite communities to upcoming artist schedules. Take a look at the navigation bar, typically across the top here. You can easily browse through different sections. Community is where you'll find all the artist feeds, posts, photos, videos, and live updates from the artists you follow. Within each community, you can scroll through posts, like them, and, importantly, leave comments. The larger keyboard on your laptop makes typing out your thoughts and engaging in discussions much more comfortable and efficient. See, it's so easy to express your love and connect with fellow fans. You can also view photos and videos in their full glory, without the limitations of a smaller mobile screen. The Media tab often houses exclusive content like behind-the-scenes clips or interviews. The larger display provides a more immersive viewing experience, making it feel almost like you're there. Additionally, you can access your My page in the top right corner, usually represented by your profile icon. Here you can manage your profile details, view your own content, and adjust your notification settings. This is also where you can easily keep track of any purchases from the Weverse shop. Having everything accessible on your laptop makes managing your fan activities a breeze. So there you have it, a simple guide to unlocking the full potential of Weverse on your laptop. Enjoy a more comfortable, expansive, and engaging fan experience.